Well, Dr. Deldar fit me for an orthotic. Likely cannot tell that it's in, but I came in primarily for migraines, and Dr. Deldar talked with me a lot about how the TMJ and the jaw position and everything can really affect that. So I was grinding my teeth a lot at night, I was clenching a lot, it was really doing a lot of damage, but mostly it was migraines and headaches that really brought me in. And since he fit me for the orthotic, it has been incredible. I'm having much less tension, waking up with less headaches in the morning. My work is better. I'm actually able to focus. I'm missing less time at work. I have a beautiful young daughter, and I'm actually able to spend a lot more time with her. I'm not having a lot of headaches that are keeping me from actually taking care of her, and everything it's been tremendous. Dr. Deldar has helped so much.
Is the orthotic is in your mouth? Yes, you talk with it and everything.
Yes, it's in right now.
Can I see it?
Absolutely.
Appreciate it. Thank you very much
You're
for
welcome.
sharing this one with me. Thank you.